Your phone, the app, or you can have a all right, calm down, Sergi.
It's crazy how responsive. I'm just testing.
It's really responsive.
Yeah. Alex told me to wait here. Usually when that happens, that translates to she's got. What is that?
Surprise!
It's like a tour bus.
This is a Mercedes Sprinter van, you guys. But like not any van. This has been fully pimped into an apartment on wheels.
Oh my god, it's
Are
like
you
the
ready?
last one, but like 10 times bigger.
Yeah, exactly. What's up, guys? Supercar Blondie here. Thanks for being part of my fam. If you haven't yet subscribed, do it right now. We've got some really cool stuff. Come with me. Alright, so I showed you the V-Cars last time, right?
Yes.
And that was super, super cool.
Yeah.
If you haven't yet seen that video, go check it out. The link is in the description below this video.
And
you have to watch that first and then you can see this because this is a massive upgrade.
A massive upgrade on that, yeah.
Are you
So
ready?
it's like we're going step by step.
Yeah.
First it was a Maybach, then it was a V-Class, and now I don't know what's inside
I'm not
of
sure
this.
how I can beat this. Are you ready? It's all through an app, guys. Alright? And look at the little step that comes out.
Oh my god.
Alright, Serge, after you.
Oh man, this feels fancy. This. My god, I can stand.
Yeah,
I can
know.
stand in this.
How crazy!
What?
You can fully stand up in this car, guys. It's not like the V-Class.
I've never been able to stand inside of a car.
Do you know what
Yeah.
this looks like to me? This looks like a private cinema.
Yeah,
you
it
see
does.
like
Yeah,
how
yeah.
look, these chairs kind of go up.
Oh my god.
You know what I mean? So now, oh man, it's nice
so
in the
weird
back.
to walk like back and forth
In a car.
in a car. I'm like 6'4", so it's actually like really tall. You're
6'4".
You're like 6'3".
Look what I found.
Alright. We returned to the search of the PlayStation. You're gonna tell me this time where it actually is?
I found it this time. All voice activated. And I've made the roof red.
Yeah, I cannot believe how much bigger this is than the last one. Like
It's
you
a
can
lot
literally
bigger.
play a game of catch
Yeah.
back and forth. It's like
This is crazy, guys. So I'm going to show you all of the cool features. I'm going to start right here, okay? Look at what
Alright.
happens if I do this. Ceiling lights white.
always love that.
Yeah, I'll never get bored of that. All right.
Oh, they have this cigar thing too.
They do, yeah.
But it's missing the spoons.
No, I don't think you need one in this one. I think that is the spoon. It's like ingrained in whatever.
Okay,
I have no
okay.
idea because I don't smoke cigars.
Okay.
But you know what? That's for cigars right there. Okay, now look at this. If you just go like
like a
this
light.
with your hand,
Nice.
how cool is that?
How did you do that?
So you just swipe it across the top, and this becomes your control center. Yes.
Oh. That's nice. I like that.
How cool is that?
Just be swiping.
So either you can do it with your phone, the app, or you can have all right, calm down, Sergi.
It's crazy how responsive. I'm just testing.
It's
you know,
really
yeah.
responsive.
Yeah.
Okay, one more time. All right, let's
Yeah,
leave it up.
okay.
So it-
Okay.
All right, so this is your control center here. Look, you can control everything from here. Look, even notification. I freaking love this. It's awesome. It's like an
Nice.
iPad, right? And then let's go to this thing right here. You ready? Look how many different things open, just to give you a hint of what's coming. All right,
God.
all of these things. Okay, you ready to see what it is?
All right.
This is a safe, and look how cool this is. On the app, you actually enter the password of the safe. All right, and then you enter that,
Not a very good password.
and and then open,
Whoa.
and your safe opens.
Oh, that's a sick safe. It's got like the X bars.
That's cool, huh? And then
Nice.
there you go, and you can pop whatever you want in there.
Nice, sick.
And what is also super cool is look at these holes here.
What is that?
What do you reckon that's for?
Yeah, right for
PlayStation
yeah.
remote.
What? Oh, they're actually fitted. They're like
How cool
measured
is that?
for. That is
Yeah,
crazy.
they're measured for the PlayStation remotes. Because of course you'd want your PlayStation remotes in your safe, right?
Yeah. That is crazy. Where is the PlayStation?
Last time you're like, listen, I just want
I
to see
just
where the
wanna get it out of
PlayStation is.
here.
It's actually here.
All
It's
right.
hidden in this drawer. See how it's nicely kind of embedded?
Okay.
So it's not just
Well,
flying
there it
around, you know? So there's your
Mystery solved.
PlayStation.
It's crazy that you need a password for your PlayStation controls. But I kind of like that.
Yeah, that's
I
kind
like
of
that.
cool. That's so extra. All right, now where to go? Let's have a look what's in here. You just push this down and you've got your first fridge. There are
fridge, right?
3 fridges in this Sprinter van. So that one's probably not as big enough for a bottle, right? But that's your first
beers.
Yeah, a couple of beers. And then this is your wireless charger right here for your phone.
Nice.
All right.
Nice.
You've got all these charging ports here. Down here.
What is?
Your rear Nespresso machine.
Oh my god.
Oh wow, look how far out it comes. Takes
like-
up like half the van.
Yeah.
Look at this. So it's actual Nespresso, you guys. Little Nespresso cups. And you've got your plates and your coffee cups.
Oh, nice. This is sick.
That's cool, huh?
Just chilling in the back.
There you go. You can pop it on your
Magic
table.
table.
All right.
Oh, this one's nicer. This
And
one's
because
like
I'm in full control now, you're stuck. You can't get out of your seat. And then I'm going to close your curtain just because I can. All right.
Oh, these are nice as well. These are like way.
These are like blinds.
These are elegant, yeah.
Full on blinds.
You know, this actually feels kind of like a plane. I've never been in a private jet,
Yeah,
but
true.
this kind of feels like a private
Yeah,
jet.
true. It does have that feel about it. You're
Except it
right.
doesn't really fly, but.
All curtains close. Command success. I'm really impressed by how well it understands the voice command.
Yeah.
That's what I love about it.
A lot of stuff like this can be really like laggy.
Yeah.
But this is super responsive.
It's literally like within a split second.
Yeah.
And then you've got 2 screens, guys. You had a little flip down screen in the V-Class, but this one you've actually got 2 massive mounted screens.
Yeah, that one is huge.
This one is massive. Do you know, this is what makes me feel like it's like a private cinema, because you've got these tiered seats, and then you've got this massive screen at the front, and then for these 2 passengers, they get that screen.
And you can watch the same thing on a different screen.
Yeah,
That's
exactly.
crazy. Yeah.
So these 2 can be coordinated and do the same thing, or someone can play PlayStation here and watch Apple TV on that screen, which is quite cool. This costs 1.4 million dirhams. In dollars, that's about $400,000 for this.
Wow.
So
I think it's worth it though.
yeah, I mean, look, I'm just trying to work out when you would use this. I think for me, it would be on shoots, right? When we keep going around town and shooting all the time.
It's like a tour bus.
Yeah, exactly. You could wait in here.
Yeah.
You could get changed in here because you can fully stand up.
Yeah.
Everything is so comfortable. Come sit here, Sergi, because these ones, these are like the VVIP seats. Look at this.
Oh, that's
they go
even comfier.
all the way back.
Oh.
All the way back into a bed.
Oh, so you can actually sleep in here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
This actually took 2 years to kit out. So you
Yeah.
get the Sprinter van, and then it takes 2 years. It took 2 years to do this. That's how special it is.
believe them.
And what you can get instead of having these seats is you can ask for a full-on flat bed in the back and have a double bed in the back, and then you can have a lounge here in the front. You can basically
So you can do
whatever
whatever
you want.
with it. And
Yeah.
it's a lot of space.
Yeah.
This is real estate on wheels.
Yeah, exactly. The other cool thing is, you see this wood paneling? I know, like, this won't mean much to a lot of you. However, some of you will notice that this is all one piece of wood the whole way
Oh, what?
through the bus, and that is super exclusive. A yacht builder did this, so wood that they would take for a yacht,
That
because it
sounds
needs to
really
be a long
complicated.
piece of wood,
Yeah,
right,
yeah,
for a
yeah.
yacht.
Yeah.
They fully did for this van, so it's just one big piece. Watch this. Look how quick that is.
Is that another coffee machine?
Yeah.
Why do you need 2?
Why not?
Why not? That's a good question actually. Yeah. So
If you can.
If you open up that back one and this one, you have like half the van is just coffee.
Coffee. Yeah, so
That's-
true. You've got another fridge behind you, Nick. You just pull this down, another fridge, and another wireless charger here. I always like the wireless chargers. This
What's that?
is for your briefcase and your files.
That's really over the top. Do I have one too?
No.
Okay, nice.
This
So-
one, watch this. This, all important, bottle openers.
I thought you were gonna say it was like for your pencils, but nice.
Bottle openers, because in the front of the car you've got another massive fridge that takes like lots of bottles.
I like that these light up too. Like there's like a little light in here. These are sick. Oh,
There you go, there's your bar.
nice.
And then I've got one in the back too. Basically,
wow.
whatever seat you're in, you don't have to move from it.
Yeah, that's
because
true.
They've got everything for the back passengers and everything for the front passengers in one go. Lastly, in here, this is all like special soundproofing. And it's all fancy leather and all that good stuff. Now, the coolest thing is in the back. Let's go. Let's open the door. Door open.
Command success.
Boom. All right, come with me, guys. Come around the back. Now, for me, this is something like super, super cool because you open this up and you've got a whole wardrobe. And you can hang all your shirts and stuff up here. This pulls down. And so you can access all of your clothes. So then you take that inside, and because you can stand up inside, you can get changed way easier than in a car, right? You've got all these drawers here as well. So for your jewelry, your shoes.
That is crazy.
And then whatever else you want in here. So I really love the back. I think that's super cool because you don't expect it to be there. You can actually buy this. It's at Alain Class. These guys right here in Dubai. They'll ship it anywhere in the world. So you can be cruising around in this baby. That's if I haven't bought it before then. All right, guys. Love you. I think we're out. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you on the next bit.